Hello everybody, welcome back to my soap studio. I am so happy that I am here today on YouTube because I have a special announcement. For those of you who don't know me, if this happens to be the first video from me that you see, my name is Ariane Arsenault. I am a soap maker with 20 years of experience, and over the past couple of years, many people have been asking me to teach them how to make soap. So last December, exactly 1 year ago, I started building an online course that will guide you step by step and teach you how to make your very first soap at home from scratch. These are the soaps that I make during the class. So we make 4 different soaps using one base recipe. I do have 2 recipes in the class. So I have one that's my regular go-to soap making recipe, and then I have a palm-free alternative for you. The process is very detailed. I give you suppliers where you can buy your ingredients. I tell you everything that you need to know to start making soaps at home for you, for your family, for your friends. So if you would like to learn how to make soap with me, I encourage you to find the link right down there below where it will take you to my online school where you can sign up to my class. I am so happy because I have partnered with Baraka Impact, which is my supplier for shea butter, cocoa butter, and other oils that are made ethically in Ghana. And they have prepared a soap making oils and butters kit that you can buy so that you can make this course hassle-free. The only thing that you will need to add to this to complete the course will be, of course, some fragrances or essential oils if you want your soap to smell something. Also, you will need some lye, some sodium hydroxide, as well as some colorants if you want to color your soaps. But basically, all you need to make soap is oils, butters, lye, and water, and you have an unscented soap. So I will also give you links where you can buy some medium and small size molds. Everything is in there for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will be happy to answer. If you're not sure if this course is for you, feel free to ask any questions and I will answer. So on that note, thank you so much for watching. I am looking forward to seeing you in my online soap school, and yeah, see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.